Hello everyone. So world's biggest Olympiads by SOF National Science Olympiad Foundation is here. So all the students who were eagerly waiting for these Olympiads, so now it is here. In 7 different subjects according to your classes and you can register. Today's video I will be telling you everything about these Olympiads and I hope after watching this video your all doubts will be cleared. So first of all, some important points I would like to tell you. First, registration for these Olympiads will be through schools only. No individual registration is there. Then classes 1 to 12th can participate and there will be 2 level 4 exams. Then total 7 subjects are there and there is a nominal registration fee, that is 150 rupees you have to pay per student. Then dates of the exam, your syllabus of subject and every procedure I will tell you in this video. So watch carefully and till the end. Then certificates and awards. Obviously at the last you will be provided with certificates and your merits according to your performance. So just hurry up and grab this golden opportunity. So first of all I would like to tell you about SOF. So it has been conducting Olympiad exams since past 25 years and it was established by leading academicians, scientists and educationists. It promotes competitive excellence among school students and it works with the schools, parents and the students. So what is the basic thing and what is the important thing, that students from all the categories of schools, whether it is private, public and government schools, they all can participate in these Olympiads. And exams during 2023 and 24 are proposed to be conducted offline and OMR based. So your exam will be pen and paper based. 7 subjects are included, that is SOF International GK, then English, Science, Maths, Cyber, Social Studies and Commerce. And these are the classes given the students who can participate. You can select any one subject also and you can select more than one subject also, but the amount will be doubled and tripled according to your subject. For one subject it is 150 and whenever you will take more subjects so it will add on. Then next is SOF exams. They will be conducted in your own schools. The dates will be provided to you by the time by your head coordinators or the teacher in charge, and the syllabus of these exams will be based on your board syllabus, that is your CBSE or ICSE, whichever you are following. So the curriculum of that will be followed. Next is coverage. So yes, during 2022 and 23 registrations were from over 1400 cities and registration from 70 countries and more than 70,000 schools participated and millions of students they appeared in these exams. So you should not waste this opportunity and you should just grab it. Next is about exams. So there will be 2 levels to maintain your competency and credibility. Level 1 exams will be conducted in offline mode by pen and paper. OMR sheet will be there and it will be in the school only. Then those students who will qualify the level 1 exam, they will be moved to level 2 exam and it will be only in 3 subjects, that is for English, then your science and maths. तो इन 3 सब्जेक्ट्स में जो लेवल 1 क्वालिफाई कर लेंगे वो लेवल 2 तक जाएंगे और ये क्लासेस है आपके 3 से लेकर 12 तक के लिए एलिजिबल. फॉलोइंग कैटेगरी विल क्वालिफाई फॉर सेकेंड लेवल एग्जाम. जो सेकेंड लेवल क्वालिफाई कर लेंगे, टॉप 5% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स क्लास वाइज विल अपीयर फॉर द फर्स्ट लेवल एग्जाम इंटरनेशनली. देन टॉप 25 रैंक होल्डर्स फ्रॉम ईच जोन and each class, and class topper where at least 10 students from each class will appear in the exam and score at least 50% marks. Then your IGKO, GK, then your cyber, social studies, these will be your single level Olympiads. No second level is there. Then obviously rewards and recognitions will be there. Gold medals for top 10% rank holders from each class and each exam they will select. Then awards for toppers for each zone and class wise exam. Then schemes are there, and for meritorious and deserving students, detailed performance analysis report you will get in the last. Then your awards for principals and teachers at international, zonal and district level. Then awards for the students are international levels. Top 3 rank holders will be awarded with cash, gifts, medal and citations. Then zonal winners will be there. Top 25 rank holders from each 26 zones and each class awarded. Then class toppers will be top 10% with gold medals and citations. Then principal awards are there. Then teacher awards are there according to different zones. Then yes, different scholarships are there by SOF. So first is your girl child scholarship scheme. So education scholarship is being provided to the girl child. 300 academically inclined girls from economically weaker section, they will be selected for annual scholarship, and 5,000 scholarship to each selected girl will be there for completing her education. And the girl list or the girl selection will be based on the recommendation which is sent by the specific school. The next is defense service scholarship. It is the students who are belonging to defense area, and 260 students across the globe will be selected on the basis of their academic performance, and it is also sent by the school. The names will be given by the school, and each winner will be given a citation and cash award of 5,000 rupees. Then next is academic excellence scholarship. So students will be given, the student who will perform the highest and will be performing the highest marks in 4 Olympiads, they were given a scholarship, and students from class 1 to 10th are selected under this, and 10 students per zone are selected. Total of 260 zones from all the zones will be there, and this recommendation will also be sent by the schools with cash prize of 1,000 rupees. नेक्स्ट इज योर बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन, देन व्हेन दीज ओलंपियाड्स विल बी हेल्ड. तो एग्ज़ाम शेड्यूल जो है आपका, दैट इज़ डिफरेंट डेट्स फॉर डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स. स्पेसिफिक डेट विल बी सिलेक्टेड बाय योर स्कूल एंड दे विल इन्फॉर्म यू. Then how you can register it? Your teacher will give you a registration form. Specific registration is there, student consent form is there, then your book order form is there. All forms are given in that prospectus, so you will give details to your teachers and they will register for you, and this registration is through school only. All the names of the students from your school, they will give the names to SOF. Students and parents might be thinking that what will be the syllabus in detail, so how you can find it? No worries, आप क्या कीजिए, साइट आप क्रोम ओपन कीजिए, गूगल ओपन कीजिए एंड जस्ट राइट डाउन SOF ओलंपियाड फाउंडेशन, साइंस ओलंपियाड फाउंडेशन. सो यू विल फाइंड आउट दिस. आपका एक वेब पेज ओपन हो जाएगा. देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन द फर्स्ट साइंस ओलंपियाड फाउंडेशन. Then you can see different options are given: exam schedule, SOF NSO, SOF IMO, SOF IEO. So different subjects, everything is given. Just you have to click on it, and when you will click, a page will open. So on this page you can search everything regarding these Olympiads. So on at the top on the left hand side you will find 3 lines. आपको 3 lines मिलेगी. Just click on it. जब आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स यहाँ पर अपीयर हो जाएंगे. व्हेन यू विल सी ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स, जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक which subject you are interested to watch in. Let's say I have selected SOF NSO. I am selecting science. So when I will click on it, a page will open like this. It will tell me everything about National Science Olympiad, so you can just read it thoroughly and properly. Then what will be given? You can see everything, syllabus and all. Just say I have selected class 1 SOF NSO syllabus, so I will click on it and this will appear. Fine. So in this way you can see everything. National Science Olympiad workbooks are there, sample papers are there. Fine. Old previous question papers are there, and most importantly you can see online test package are also there. Fine. You have to buy this, and after this you will get a topic wise test bank, and student can practice those tests. Previous year questions will be there, mock test will be there. In this way they get prepared for the exam better. तो आप यहाँ पर भी जाकर क्लिक कर कर उसको सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एवरीथिंग रिगार्डिंग योर सब्जेक्ट यू कैन सी द सिलेबस as it is written, content is given, different chapters, and you can select your subject which you are giving, and you can see everything regarding that, and you can buy these books and all, and you can practice previous year questions. So you can see different classes are there, class 1, class 2, similarly additional material, then syllabus, then sample papers, similarly for class 2, 3, 4 and up to 12th. So this all material is given up to class 12th, and you can watch it. So students, I hope everything is clear to you. If still you have any doubt, you can drop a message here and I'll reply for sure. So thank you so much. If you like this video, just subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.